Okay, example number 5. You need to verify the identities. Do you remember in 5.1, the odd and even? So cosine negative theta is equals to cosine theta. So this is the identities, but we need to prove or we need to verify if this identity is correct or wrong. So the easiest way to prove the identity is to look at the hardest part of the equation. Which one is the hardest? Is it left side or right side? So since left side, there is a negative angle, so let us prove the left-hand side of the equation. So cosine negative theta. Now think of a number that if you will look for the number, the two number, special angle, the answer is negative theta or negative 1. Okay, so the easiest number or the easiest special angle that will give you negative 1 is 0 minus theta. Okay? So this is your A and this is the B. So let us write the formula. Cosine A, cosine B. If that is addition, this will subtraction, this will be addition. Sine A, then sine B. So what is cosine A? Cosine A is 0 minus cosine B is equal, B is theta. This is not minus. This is multiplication. So cosine A times cosine B minus sine A is 0. Then sine B is theta. And then solve cosine 0. What is cosine 0? Cosine 0 is equals to 1 times cosine theta. If you will press this in your calculator, it should be normal function, cosine then 0. Minus, what is sine 0? So sine 0 is equals to 0 times sine theta. And you know that any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So that's why 1 minus cosine theta is cosine theta, which is the same with our identity. So cosine theta is equals to cosine theta. So this is correct. So therefore, we can say that cosine negative theta is equals to cosine theta. Okay, next, let's proceed with the second example. In our identity, again, in 5.1, we have this identity of cosine theta minus pi over 2 is equals to sine theta. So from the left-hand side, we have cosine A minus B. What's the formula of A minus B? Cosine A, cosine B. If this is minus, this will be plus. Sine A, sine B. What happened to my S? Then let us substitute. What is A? A is theta and B is pi over 2. So cosine theta, cosine pi over 2 plus sine, what is A? A is theta and sine, what is B? B is pi over 2. Then let us solve whatever that we can solve here. Cosine theta is cosine theta. You cannot solve it. While cosine pi over 2 is equals to 0. So plus sine theta is sine theta. And sine pi over 2 is equals to 1. So cancel and the answer is sine theta. So therefore, that is correct. Next example. Let's proceed with example number 7. So in example number 7, you need to find the solution. Okay, given is sine x plus pi over 4 minus sine x minus pi over 4 is equals to 0. On the given interval of 0 to, now 0 is included. So 0 to 2 pi. Okay? And 2 pi is not included. Now, if you're familiar in solving pi over 4 or radian, you can solve that in radian. But if we want to change this in degrees, you can solve that also in degrees. Now, let us try to change this into degrees. So, pi over 4 times 180 over 5 is equals to 45 degrees. Okay? So, now your calculator should be in degree mode. So we have, I will just rewrite sine x plus 45 minus sine x minus 45 is equals to 0. So the question here is solve or find all the solution. So therefore, we need to solve this in terms of x. Okay? So let us apply the formula of sine A plus B. So this is A plus B. And then this is A minus B. Let us write sine A plus B is equals to, I will go directly in solving. So sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B minus, what is this? This is for here. So now, what is the second part? I will use blue so you know that this is the identities. You use subtraction, so make sure that you will use parentheses. Sine A cosine B, this is minus, so still the same, minus cosine A sine B. So now let us substitute. Sine A is x, cosine B is 45, plus cosine A is x, sine B is 45, minus, okay? Minus sine, I will write it here, sine, I will write the minus beside sine so you will not be confused, and thus distributing of negative sign. Sine A is x, cosine B is 45. I'm already in color blue on this side. Then this is minus cosine A is what? Cosine A is x, sine B is 45. Okay, next, let us solve everything. So sine x, I'll just copy sine x. Cosine 45, the answer is the square root of 2 over 2. Plus cosine x, I'll copy cosine x. Sine 45 times the square root of 2 over 2. Then this is minus. Minus bracket. Sine x, again, copy sine x. Cosine 45 is the square root of 2 over 2. Minus cosine x is copy cosine x. Copy cosine x. And then sine 45 is the square root of 2 over 2. And then close. Okay, next. I'll just multiply everything here. So the square root of 2 over 2 sine x plus the square root of 2 over 2 cosine x. Then distributive property. Minus the square root of 2 over 2 sine x. Negative times negative is plus the square root of 2 over 2 cosine x. Then, if you can cancel or subtract, then apply the operation. This is positive, and then this is negative. Okay? Next. Now, you will combine the square root of 2 over 2 plus the square root of 2 over 2. So, what do you think is the answer? The square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 is 2 the square root of 2 over 2. I use black. Cosine x. Okay? If you want me to do it step by step, so the remaining is the square root of 2 over 2 cosine x plus the square root of 2 over 2 cosine x. Okay? So since they have the same cosine, you can add the coefficient. So additions of these coefficients. So the square root of 2 over 2 plus the square root of 2 over 2 is 2. The square root of 2 over 2. So you can cancel, right? Cosine x is equals to 0. I forgot to write the 0. So 0 is from here. Okay? So every identities, there is a 0 here. There's a 0 here. And there's a 0 here, there's a 0 here, and equals to 0. Now, what's the remaining value? So, we have the square root of 2 cosine x is equals to 0. Divide both sides by the square root of 2. Okay? So, cosine x is equals to 0. Okay? Now, what is it? Transpose. X is equals to inverse of cosine 0. So, what are the values of inverse of cosine 0? So, x is equals to 90 and 270. So, this is the final answer. In terms of radian mode, x is equals to pi over 2 or the square root of 3, not the square root of 3, 3 pi over 2. Okay, so that is example number 7.